In this video, I'm going to review how to divide two decimal numbers. So if we have this problem that says divide 837.993 divided by 0.3. And I'm not going to go through in excruciating detail. I am going to go through in detail, but not as much as in some of my other videos. If you need to have a little bit more detail on it, I have the link in the description. You should take a look at that one too, okay? So let's start. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and when we have to rewrite this, we put our divisor here and the dividend here, and the quotient is the answer that we're trying to get to. So let's put in our numbers. 0.3 goes here, and then 837.993 goes underneath the dividing sign, okay? So now what we're not supposed to have a decimal here. So what we do is we move the decimal over once right to get it to here, okay, behind the 3. So we move it there. So what we do to that one, we have to do to this one too. So we have to do the same for the dividend. So we have to move our decimal over. And there, it goes like that. So now let's rewrite it. So now we have 3 divided by 8379.93. Okay? So we moved the decimal over once, so now we could do a regular division. So bring the decimal up to the quotient. Don't forget, okay? Line those up and put it, plonk it right there. Okay? So now we could just divide. And we use our formula of divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So 3 fits into 8 twice, right? We divide first. So 3 fits into 8 twice. 3 times is too many because we know that 3 times 2 is 6. If this was a 3, it would be a 9. And then when we multiply, there'd be a 9 here, and we wouldn't be able to subtract 8 minus 9. Okay? So that's just a quick refresher on that. So now the next thing we do is we subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Next thing we do is we bring down. So let's bring down our 3 here and let it meet the 2. So now the number becomes 23. And now we divide. How many times does 3 fit into 23? So 3 fits into 23 7 times. So 7 times 3, we multiply now, we're here, is 21. So now we subtract, okay? So 23 minus 21 is 2. Now we bring down. We bring down our 7 to meet the 2. And now we repeat, right? So now we're going to divide. 3 goes into 27. How many times? It goes in 9 times. So now we multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. Now we subtract. 27 minus 27 is 0. Now we bring down. We bring down the 9 to meet the 0. So we're basically left with 9. So now we repeat. So we divide. 3, how many times does 3 fit into 9? We know that it fits in 3 times. So we put a 3 here. Now we multiply. 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And now we subtract. 9 minus 9 gives us 0. And now we bring down. So bring down the 9 to meet the 0. So we basically have 9 here again. So we repeat. So now we divide. 3 goes into 9. We know already is 3 times. So we put a 3 here. Now we multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. and we bring down our final number. We bring down our 3. And now we repeat, and now we divide again. So 3 divided into 3 fits 1. Now we multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, and we do our final subtraction of 0. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Like I said, take a look at the description. I have other videos of mine that are similar to this, and there's one that's very detailed. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the lesson. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.